Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview how to use Solar Pool Ionizer by Discover My Store. Step 1. Verify that the pool conditions are good. Step 2. Introduce the Solar Pool Ionizer into the pool. Step 3. Observe that the Solar Pool Ionizer is floating in the pool. Step 4. After 12 hours, activate the cleaning system of the pool. After 24 hours, revise if all are working according to the specifications. Step 5 to 6. Remove every 15 days and do a cleaning of the electrode with the brush included. Check the copper level weekly. If excess of 0.9 ppm, take it out from the pool or the water will turn cloudy and green, and put it back in the pool when less than 0.4 ppm. Tips: if the pool is large or if due to the weather conditions, it was required the addition of water because of the evaporation, it is necessary to keep the ionizer in the water permanently. Keep the water crystal clear. Reduce the use of chlorine by as much as 85 to 90% to kill the algae. To buy a Solar Pool Ionizer, click on the link below. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.